to give love away.
I'm Felicia Tomasko. I'm the editor-in-chief of LA Yoga, Ayurveda, and Health magazine, and I'm a practitioner and teacher of yoga and Ayurveda in Los Angeles. Ayurveda, which is one of the traditional systems of medicine native to India, is often described as one of the sister sciences of yoga, or as the sister science of yoga. The two of them are very interconnected and intertwined. Ayurveda is a system that is concerned with our relationships with the natural world, with the world around us. And how Ayurveda starts to define or starts to see that relationship is through the 5 elements. The 5 elements are these 5 categories of substances, of things in our environment, and they have different qualities. So the 5 elements, according to Ayurveda, are ether or empty space, air, fire, water, and earth. And each of those has unique qualities that say something about how Ayurveda views our relationship with the natural world. So a little bit more about the 5 elements. Space, or ether, which in Sanskrit is called akash or akasha, is the emptiness. So in this room that we're in right now, it's actually the space in the room. In our bodies, it's the space inside. The lungs, the mouth, the sinuses, the digestive system, inside each one of our cells. Space is what actually allows us to have a place to put everything. It's outer space and it's inner space. Space is cold, space is empty, space is full of potential. Space has the qualities of expansiveness because it what allows everything to fill that void. Air, on the other hand, actually has physical substance to it. We can blow on our hand and we can feel the movement of air. We can see the wind blow through the trees. We can feel the air in our face. We can hold our hands out, and air is so light that we don't really feel it compared to our hands, but our hands are full of air. We can close up our hands and there's air inside. So air has physical substance. And the element of air, according to Ayurveda, is connected to the qualities of movement, of change. The element of fire is hot. It's the only one of the elements that contains any heat. It's hot, it's transformative, it's changeable, it's mutable, it's wild. And it has that process of transforming things from one thing to another. If we think about what happens in a fire, it burns physically, and we have ash, or we have something that's cooked, or we have something that has somehow now changed. So the element of fire, according to Ayurveda, is linked to change and transformation. The element of water, according to Ayurveda, has the qualities of being cool, smooth, fluid. It's a good lubricant. It's a good solvent. It carries things. Water also has the quality of movement, but a little slower than air or even fire. It's nurturing. It holds us. The element of earth, according to Ayurveda, is cold. It's stable, dense, heavy, literally grounded if you think about a relationship with the earth. So these elements are found within us and in the world around us. And we may think of, the obvious ones that we can feel and touch, earth and the rocks and the sand and the soil and the dirt. Even substance, the couch, the chair, the wood, the cup. Those are all comprised of the earth element. Our bodies, the physical substance of our body is the manifestation of the earth element. So when we start to think about the archetypes, the qualities, the embodiments of these elements, it then tells us everything we need to know about the science of Ayurveda and about our connection with nature. It's a wild and powerful set of concepts. So just kind of think about them a little bit. Namaste.